Okay, and now I'm sharing. Okay. Yesterday it played very loud. Let's see if it does the same.
Bis mir mazzelige moishele, bis mir mazzelige moishele. Ob ihr dir, darf ich mir nicht gehen, oi die bist, nur mit mir in einem, ob ich alle Oizes bin, der ganze Welt. Bis mir mazzelige moishele, bis mir mazzelige moishele, seinen deine schöne Augen, wie schöne Regenbogen, bis dann alle nur als Mensch versteht. Ai, die bist mein Gilden mit Beje. Ai, die bist der Volk, was ich verlangt. Ai, die bist mein hele Kickermeje. Bist mein Leben, bist mein Chayes, Marasche, Mama, Schneies, Lübe, meine Nuh, Neini, Juibnisch, die ist noch Hayeri, bist mir mazzelig, Moischele, bist mir mazzelig, Moischele, ob ihr dir, darf ich mir nicht gehen, sein mit dir, will ich noch in einem, weil ich hab dich lieb, mein Moischele. Ai, die bist der Volk, was ich verlangt. Ai, die bist mein hele Kickermeje. Bist mein Leben, bist mein Chayes, Marasche, Mama, Schneies, Lübe, meine Nuh, Neini, Juibnisch, die ist noch Hayeri, bist mir mazzelig, Moischele, bist mir mazzelig, Moischele, ob ich dir, darf ich mir nicht gehen, sein mit dir, will ich noch allein, weil ich hab dir lieb, mein Moischele.
Okay. Andrew, can you start reading the English, please?
If you've seen the 1937 film Der Kassensundel, the Cantor's Little Son, then you will have enjoyed Florence Weiss and Moishe Oyser singing the duets, the nostalgic belts, minor Stella belts, in the wonderful scat performance without words, which YouTube labels a traditional song. Florence Weiss was born in Russia. She acted and sang on the Yiddish stage, radio, and film. She was first married to the actor Louis Weiss, but then to Moishe Oyser. She performed in Baltimore, Newark, and New York. In addition to Dem Kassensundel, she starred with Moshe Oyser in the film Vinkl der Schmied and Der Berliner Stadt Chazan, who is lullaby Unter Beimer Wachs Greusen we have listened to.
Okay, go on.
Here she sings Bis mir Mazel Dik Moshela, You're My Good Fortune, written by Jacobs and Alexander Olshansky from the opera Rocha Berta Chala, Rocha Becomes a Bride. The original song Bis mir Mazlik Rochara.
Thank you, Andrew. Thank you. Okay, so let's start. Barry, can you read it, please?
Bist mir Mazeldik, Marshale, Bist mir Mazeldik, Marshale, hab ich dich, darf ich mehr nicht keinem, ob du bist nur mit mir in einem, hab ich alle Otros von der
Ganze.
ganze Welt.
Okay. Very good. Can you translate it into English, please?
You are my lucky one, Moshele. You're my lucky one, Moshele. Moshele. I have you. I don't need anyone else. Du bist mir, you're my only one. I have all the treasures from the whole world, in the whole
Thank you.
world.
You're
Thank
with
you.
Good.
Maurice, you want to add anything?
Nina,
Yes.
yeah, I just want to point out, people were wondering why the second sentence and then the order is inverted. Hab ich dir, should be ich hab dir, darf ich mehr nicht keinem. It's an if then. If I have you, then I don't need anybody else.
right.
And in the last part of that paragraph, it's similar. It's if you are together with me, hab ich alle. If you are with me, then I have all the treasures in the world. In
Right.
case people didn't realize or were
Okay.
wondering why the word
Thank
order is
you.
inverted. Sure.
Dank. Großen
Yeah.
Dank.
Just a favos.
Yeah.
But the word oit, the last line, the 1, 2, 3, the fourth word.
Oitzres, treasure.
Oitzes, treasures.
Oh, I know oitza. Okay,
Like
thank
you
you.
say, mine oitze, you're my treasure. Oitzes.
Oitzus.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay. Elaine, go on.
Bist mir mazeldig, Moishele, bist mir mazeldig, Moishele. Sennen deine schöne Augen wie a schöner Regenbogen. Bist a Malach nur als Mensch verstellt. So you're my good fortune. You're my good fortune. So we see your eyes are beautiful like a rainbow. You're an angel. You're an angel disguised as a man.
Okay.
Well, yeah, okay. It's verstellt is disguised. You're an angel, only you're disguised as a man.
Only
Right.
you're disguised as
Right. In other words,
Okay,
you
go
can't
on.
tell, but you know.
Go on, Elaine.
Okay. Du bist mein gildene
Matvea.
Matbea. Oh, you're my golden, I don't know, my golden, what?
Coin.
My
Coin.
gold,
Coin.
oh, my
Coin.
golden coin.
Coin.
Yes,
Coin.
it's Hebrew. Okay.
Hebrew.
Du bist noch als was ihr verlangt. You're everything I long for. Du bist mein heilige Kamea. Oh, you're my holy charm. Bist mein Leben, bist mein Chayes. You're my life. I think both you're my life. Both of them say you're my life, you're my life.
No,
Yeah.
Kamea is
I think it's strength.
it's an
My strength.
amulet. It's
An amulet.
Amulet.
Charm.
Is there somebody
Yeah.
talking over there? It's an amulet that brings, right, you're my holy amulet.
Huh?
No. Okay. And I bist mein, you're my life, Leben, Chayes, same. Mein Rashi.
Rashi,
No, the
Rashi,
Rashi.
Rashi.
Oh, my Rashi, my
Rashi.
Mishnah. You're my
Yeah,
Rashi and you're my Mishnah.
Yes.
Right.
Loib,
No,
Yuba
Lyube.
mina,
Yub, it's a Russian word.
mina, Yuba mina nu oib nishdu thani. So my beloved new Anya new, I don't know. Anenu, what is?
You mean answer? I like. And
Oh,
then they know
answer.
where.
If not you, Chani.
Yeah,
If
not-
not you,
Hineni. Come here.
yeah.
I'm here.
Haneni means I'm here.
Hineni. Hebrew.
it's Hebrew.
Hineni.
Chayeni.
That's what the
Hineni.
song shows. Hineni.
Oh,
I'm here. Here I am here.
Hineni, but
Like
that doesn't say.
Abraham.
I know, but that doesn't say
I'm not
Hineni.
sure.
I
That
know.
says
It
No.
looks
Say-
like the previous
No, it
words are
doesn't, but I'm not
misspelled.
sure.
It looks
Okay,
like
only Maurice. Maurice.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that last part is. I don't know.
in the translation in that song, it shows the previous words as Ohev Yishne Yishay. It looks like the words were there's a typos. It's not oib, it's ohev. I guess it looks like Hebrew words maybe.
Ohev would be
Ohev
Hebrew.
is to love. Ohev is love, but
Yeah,
That doesn't make
exactly, my
sense, though,
darling.
no.
It's
So it
Oib
would be
Jewish,
you're my love.
not you.
Yeah, my love, right.
You're my love, but I don't know what.
Yesh.
I'm not
Well, the
sure.
word is
yeah, I'm not sure because
Yeshe.
Oib nish Bob, but it says Oib nish do. If not you,
Not you.
yeah,
Yeah.
if not you, then Chayeni. But
Well, next time we listen to it, maybe somebody will catch it.
did anyone have any answer for that?
Maybe my
Yeah,
life,
you can
Chayeni.
look
We'll
at
have
the
to wait.
translation with the song.
Oh, wait a minute. Someone just Chayeni,
My life.
my life. I don't know.
Chayeni. My
Good.
life.
Could be.
Yeah, but it doesn't make sense if you are not. If it's not you, then my life. Well,
Yeah,
what
I don't
does it
know.
mean?
No, she just means that he's her life. If not for you, she's thinking, oh, but he's her whole life.
Okay,
I don't know.
okay. Let's go on and see. Eric, can you read? Eric, you're here, no? Yes, Eric, you're muted.
Ja,
Oh,
ja,
okay.
ik zie het.
Okay. Unschuldig. Bist mir mazeldik, moishele, bist mir mazeldik, moishele. Hab ich dich, darf ich mehr nicht keinem sein mit dir, will ich nur in einem, will ich, weil ich hab dich, weil ich hab dich lieb, mein moishele.
Good.
So translating,
Yeah.
you are Moishela, you are, bist mir mazeldik, you are good fortune for me, Moishela.
Good. That's it.
You
Yeah.
are good fortune for me, Moishela. Dear. I hab ich dich, I have you.
It's inverted. If I have you.
If I have you,
Right.
I don't need more. I don't need anyone else. All right.
Good.
Ich darf ich mehr nicht kennen.
Right.
I don't need to be with anyone else. Seid mir dir will sein mit dir will ich nur einem. I will just want to be together with you.
Yeah.
Good. Perfect.
Weil ich hab dich lieb because I love you, my Moshele.
Good.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Thank you. And that's, we already did it. So if you just can read it, Eric, just read it
Okay.
without translation because we
Okay.
already just did it.
Dank. Du bist mein Gilderne, en ich kenne nicht das Wort.
Matbea.
Matbea, my golden coin. Du bist nur als was ich verlangt. Du bist mein heilige ich kenne nicht
Kamea.
Amulet,
Kamea.
Amulet, bist mein Leben, bist mein Chayas,
Yes.
mein Rashi, mein let's see, it's a
Mishnayos.
Mishnah, my Mishnahs. Is it Mishnahs?
Yes.
Mishnahs.
It's the Mishnah.
Looks like Mishnah. Yeah.
Mishnahs.
Right, but it's plural because the Mishnah is divided into sections, and each one, so it's Mishnah,
Yes.
all of them.
Loiba meine?
Lube meine.
Lubla meine.
Lube, it's a Russian word. Love, my love.
Oh, Luba meine. Nu. Mit health. Enenu. Enenu. Oib nicht du. Ich weiß nicht.
Chayene.
I don't know.
So, but that's again the same, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. So it repeats itself. So let's listen to it once again and pay attention to the Chayenu.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Chayenu.
Yeah, so please pay attention.
Bis mir mazzelige Moischele, bis mir mazzelige Moischele. Ob ihr dir, darf ich mir nicht keinem, ob du bist, nur mit mir in einem, ob ich alle Oizes bin, der ganze Welt. Bist mir mazzelige Moischele, bist mir mazzelige Moischele, seinen deine schöne Augen, wie ein schöner Regenbogen, bist dann alle nur als Mensch verstellt. Ai, die bist mein Gildene Matbea. Ai, die bist doch alles, was ich verlangt. Ai, die bist mein heilige Kamea. Bist mein Leben, bist mein Chayes, Marasche, Mishnayos, Lube, meine Noah, Neini, Yiddish, die ist noch Chayeni, bist mir mazelig, Moischele, bist mir mazelig, Moischele. Ob ihr dir, darf ich mir nicht keinem sein mit dir, will ich noch in einem, weil ich hab dich lieb, mein Moischele. Ai, die bist doch alles, was ich verlangt. Ai, die bist mein heilige Kamea. Bist mein Leben, bist mein Chayes, Marasche, Mishnayos, Lube, meine Noah, Neini, Yiddish, die ist noch Chayeni, bist mir mazelig, Moischele, bist mir mazelig, Moischele. Ob ihr dir, als ik met het schenen bij me dier, wil ik nog alleen en bij ik op dier, lief mij mooi alleen.
Okay. Any comments about the song?
Anybody
Barbara.
have a list
Oh.
of the musicians? Who's the clarinetist?
Yeah, they're wonderful.
How about that trumpet solo?
Yeah, I love the trumpet.
Anyway, Barbara.
I heard Hineni for the word, which
Yeah.
means I am here.
Yeah, but Chayeni.
Yeah,
Not
the last
Hayeni.
word.
Hayeni.
I am here is
Yeah,
Hineni.
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 Hineni is.
That's what I heard.
No, I
Abraham.
heard Chayeni.
Maybe it's
Oh.
I heard
The word
Chayeni.
highest, the word highest means your strength. I get the feeling that in there is the word highest means if I lose you, I lose my life, I lose my strength. That's how I felt. Like the highest gate meadows. Yeah.
Okay, Morty.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit like what Cookie said. I think that Hayeni means my life, so it refers you, my life.
Yeah.
You, Hayeni, my life.
right.
Okay. Any more comments?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Michael. Yes.
Okay. Well, it's they pronounce it Hineni, but it's actually written Hinenu, and that reminds one
Right.
of the prayer Hinenu b'yom koreinu, answer us when we call to you. And I wonder if he isn't just saying, please respond to me, my love.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Good. Right.
Okay.
In the translation with this song, it says, here I am, I'm here waiting for you. I'm here for you. That's kind of the sense I got from that translation.
I used to say the only man who could get me away from my husband is a man who could make love to me in Yiddish.
Okay. Too much information.
Yes.
Cookie. Too much information.
Don't go there.
I love
Okay.
that word.
Yeah. Okay.
Love it. It sounds so good.
I'm sorry. You correct me. Okay. Marsha.
Yeah, I wasn't going to say anything either, but Lashon Hara, Florence and Moshe Osher, they had a love affair. I don't know if you guys realize that.
Yeah.
And then he also, his second wife, he left Florence and married the piano player.
Okay, what can we do? Music people. Yes, Ronald. Ronald, music people. Yes.
I wanted to ask about, this movie, I mean, it was in a movie, and I wondered if if this song was performed in live, and what kind of theaters in New York, or what other cities, may have been, anybody know anything about where this song may have been?
No, but you can, it says that it's the words are by Jacob Jacobs and the music is by Olshanetsky. And those were two powerhouses, when the East Side in New York was Jewish. Yeah.
Second Avenue.
Okay. Anyway, Ronald.
There was a theater across from where Beverly Sufjan lived, the theater across from your house.
All those.
Yes.
And that's where Florence's first husband ran this theater.
Oh, wow.
Right. I wouldn't be surprised. Sure.
What was the name of the theater?
It was across from where you lived, but I don't remember the name.
Second Avenue Theater, no?
No. Well, I lived near Pitkin Avenue, but that was a movie theater. Maybe they had live also. I don't know.
Yes. Yeah, right. I mean, when the Lower East Side was Jewish, the theaters were thriving.
Okay. Any more questions or comments before we are moving to the Bobby Mises of Boris Handler?
Ina,
Yes.
something
Yes.
extremely important.
Maurice, you
know,
are kind
after
of
the war.
fractured. Again, can you start from the beginning?
This is
Yes.
extremely important for people to know. After the war, when my parents were in a DP camp, they went to Paris because my mom had a sister in Paris. So I was born in Paris, and so I was French. And when my father's brother came to visit from Israel, and he knew that that I was named after their father, Moshe, he points to me and he says, Moshe le François.
Moshe le François, okay.
Frenchman.
Okay, that's how we are going to call you now.
Moshe
Le
le
François.
That's how he nicknamed me.
Named after Maurice Chevalier.
No. It's a different Moshe.
I don't think so.
That's a different Moshe.
Away.
Yeah, he was a
Okay,
collaborator.
Barbara?
Yeah. Steve Lasky has online the history of Yiddish theater. And so it might be interesting to delve into his virtual palace to see what he may have. So I'll try to do that. And if anybody else would like to, we can see what we can do. And then I'll talk to Steve himself, see what we can learn.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Good.
Okay,
Thanks.
that's good.
Yeah.
Him done.
Okay. Any more comments? Or we are moving to the Bobemeises? Okay. Okay, so let's, what am I doing? I am sharing and we are sharing this.
Steve.
Ich schwöre jetzt, ich schwöre jetzt.
Entschuldig. Ich verzehr mich.
Du bist mich. Okay. Okay, so you see my?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so as there is a Caleb, is he a Zoe? Michael Fissman, because today we have two Michaels. Michael Fissman, please.
Don't stress. Okay. As ich habe a Caleb, is he a Zoe? If I have a dog, it's a bitch. She is a bitch. Hein zu halten a Hinterlinch too. These days, to keep a little dog in the home is wie zu haben noch ein Kind, is like having an extra child, noch mehr, even more. Ich kenne nicht wenig junge Porlach. I don't know many young couples. Was a Hintel verbeit, say, kenne nicht wenig. I know a lot. I know quite a lot of young couples where the dog takes the place of the child. Erst nicht lang zurück habe ich gesehen auf dem Gas. Not long ago, I saw on the street wie a young poor folk what was good liayet their hintel that couple were taking a walk with their dog. Azar weiß Kutcher Rava Abashefanish, such a white, I don't know what Kutcher Rava is.
I found that it's curly hair. Yes, curly hair.
Russian.
Yeah, maybe like a poodle or something.
A curly-haired creature, mit a right typical of a keppel with a red cap on its head, as nur die Ohren sollen herausstecken, so that only the ears were sticking out, und auf die vier Fischlach ungecheppert schwarze lederne Schichelach, and on the feet they were attached black leather shoes, mamash of gelächter. You could really laugh about it. Das Hintel ist gelaufen the little dog was running in front of the couple, mamash untergetanzt. It was really hopping along or taking a little dance. Und jedes Mal sich umgeguckt, and each time it looked around, looked back, wie barimt sich afar ihre Balabatim, as if it was barimen sich,
Showing off.
showing off in
Mhm.
front of the owners. Die junge Frau hat gescheint wirklich. The young woman was actually shining from pleasure. Gehabt das Hintel auf die Hand, grabbed the dog on her hands, und es zu sich zugedrückt, gekuscht und angequält. And she pressed it to herself, kissed it, and angequält, took great pleasure from doing that. Mein Wunderkind, my wonder child, die Mama wird dir kaufen a Zuckerkeller und erquicken dich das Herzl, und erquicken sich das Herzl. Your mommy will buy you a little candy and refresh you and refresh your little heart.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Michael. Yes, Elaine.
What is zugedrückt?
Zugequetscht zu sich.
No, no.
Drücken is pressing, and zudrücken is to press towards you.
Oh, okay. Like to hug him.
To hug him.
So she's hugging. She's hugging the
Hugging would
dog.
be a good translation. Yeah.
She's hugging it to herself.
Thank you. Dank.
Karen, will you continue, Karen?
Yeah.
Yes. Dafke in dem Moment hab ich sich der Mund in a Geschichte. Right in that moment, I recalled a story gehört mit Jahren zurück that I heard many years ago. Noch a kind, when I was still a child, in der Stotterscher Bod Nummer 3, in the public bathhouse number 3. Ja, ich gedenk noch die zweiten. No, I'm sorry, noch die zweiten. I still remember the times when es seinen gewinn gesellschaftlicher Bäder. I still remember the times when there were public bathhouses. Ich pfleg ahin gehen mit mein Seiden. I used to go with my grandfather, soll sich mähen. And I don't know if that means to take great pains or to trouble himself. I'm not sure.
That's what I found as well. I found this as well.
Yes.
May he rest in peace is what it means.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, now it makes sense.
Yes. Jeden Freitag in der Früh, every Friday in the morning, dem Emes gesagt, truth be said, truth be told, nicht also zu lieb dem Boden sich, not so much to bathe, wie zu lieb die Mises, but for the stories, welche die Naketer
Okay, just a moment. Someone is talking. If you're talking, mute yourself, please. Okay? Okay, go on.
Welche die Naketer angesefter und zerpareter Besucher haben lieb gehabt, dort zu erzählen. But for the stories which the naked, soaped up and sweating visitors loved to tell there.
So before you continue, Karen, yes, Ronald. But you are muted, so unmute yourself.
Yeah, I had a question about bathhouses, and I was wondering, are these bathhouses for people like rich people who can afford to go to a luxurious bath, or they're bathhouses for people who cannot afford to live in a place that has its own bathrooms, or it's too crowded and they want to go somewhere that has more
Schwitz. It was
more access? Or anybody know anything about what the
Okay,
bathhouses were like?
Rochelle, you started answering, so answer.
Yeah, my father used to go once in a while also. I think they knew then what we're just finding out now, that being in a sauna is very healthy. And it was also mostly a social thing. It had nothing to do with bathing so much as with sweating. It was really for schwitzing, not for bathing. It was not a public bath. And there seemed to be I don't know about other ethnicities, but in most Jewish neighborhoods, there were these places. And it was men. I don't think women ever went.
No.
Okay, women went to the mikveh. Yeah.
No, women went too. There were women's baths.
Yeah, there were
Okay.
women's baths, especially for non-Jewish women.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Beverly.
Oh, hold on. Let me see if I have a.
What?
Oh, okay. Yes, they called it the schwitz, and they still call because they sweated. But mainly it was the men, and my mother didn't like that. My father went. She didn't think it was healthy. I wonder, but it was called. We called it the schwitz because they sweated. But I don't remember women going. I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, Morty.
Yeah, I was going to mention most Jews used to go to the Schwitz, but also men on Friday mornings used to go to the mikveh before the beginning of Shabbos. And in most shtetler, the mikveh, if there was only one, would be there were days for men and separate days for women.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. What did you write there, Motl?
But that's not the same as the schwitz. The mikveh was not the schwitz. They didn't.
Right.
Sweat. You don't sweat
Women. I don't think women went to the Schwitz. It was
No, I
mostly
agree.
men
I
that
agree.
went to the Schwitz.
I agree.
I don't think this was particularly Jewish. I think your whole culture did that.
Could be.
Had sweat houses.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Now
Yes,
we pay a
Barbara.
lot of money in spas to do this.
Yeah.
Go in the
Barbara.
sauna.
Yeah.
Barbara, please.
Yeah, I have a question. Where is he from? This is a shtetl. I'm kind of wondering if there was a commercial bathhouse. It seems to me that there was a bathhouse that was used primarily for religious purposes, as Morty described. And certainly, remember we read the Bella Chagall story about her going to with her mother to the bathhouse. And by the way, my husband's grandmother, maternal grandmother, did go to the Schwitz. So women did go, not apparently often.
Okay, he's from Bukovina, so it's a state in Bukovina. So yeah,
I don't know how big.
Rafael.
Yeah, he's from Belz, Moldova, and so he grew up in Europe, and so Moldavia, Moldova, Bukovina, different names for almost the same place, Bessarabia, but in the town of Belz, not the one of the song, but a different one.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, okay. So there was another bells. Okay. Two of them. Okay. So Karen, will you read the next 4 lines as well?
Okay. Takada in der Bod nummer.
Please, guys, people, if you speak.
I got it. I finally found it.
If you're on the phone for some reason.
Thank you, Marcia.
Mute yourself. Okay. Go on.
Truly there in the bathhouse number 3, unter den Rumpfen die Wasserkranen und dem Geklang von die Blechrener Beckens, among the or under the hum of the water taps and the sound from the tin basins, hat gerissen dem Gorgel einer Galerjid mit 2 große ausgeglanzter grüner Augen. There came from, was pulled out of the throat. I don't know if that just means they're a yellow Jew out from his throat who had three, I guess, I'm not so sure how Gorissen dem Gorgel, but it's just that he's
I think he was
talking.
shouting or talking
Shouting.
very loudly.
Thank you.
Over the sound of the plumbing.
Yes,
Yeah.
with two large shining green eyes. Noch jeder zwei, drei Wörter von sein Meister hat reingestellt. Sie hat es ja gedacht. Sie nicht. Der Reich nimmt sie. Every 2 or 3 words, after every 2 or 3 words of his story, he inserted, whether it was needed or not, the devil take them.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. A Gailer Eid means that he was blonde or that he was a gingy or that he was redded. What do you think?
What?
He was blonde with
What
green
is a Gailer
eyes.
Eid?
He was blonde with green eyes.
Blondie.
Yeah.
Blonde. Because I thought maybe he read it, but no. Okay, a Gailer, blonde. Okay, thank you. So let's go on.
So does Ronald want to ask something, or is that from before? Okay, never mind.
I didn't get it, Marif, sorry.
Never mind, go on.
Okay, okay, so Rafael, please.
In a Viererhuis haben gewohnt 2 Schwäne. In a Viererhuis would be a house in front of a house, a foyer usually, but in some sort of a house, were living 2 neighbors. Der Roch nennt sie. Devil take them. A Schneider and a Händler. A tailor and a merchant. Dem Schneider's Weibel is gewenich Zufa. The tailor's wife was an Azis Ponim, was head chutzpah, all right?
Yeah.
Sie had gelebt mit dem Händler, der Roch nennt sie. She was living with a merchant, devil take him. Versteht sich, als der Schneider hat gar nicht gewusst. Of course, you can understand it, that the tailor didn't know about anything. He knew nothing of it. Aber euch, das sind die Porale, der Roch nennt sie, but also the sinful pair, devil take them, hat sich gut ausgehit von a Fremdzeug. We're very careful not to be noticed by anyone else, by a strange eye. Mernit, a klein hintel, dem handlers, only a little doggy belonging to the merchant. Der Roach nimmt es, devil take it. Hat alles gesehen, saw everything. Von unter der Bett, from underneath the bed. Steuert nicht lang. It didn't last too long. Der Roach nimmt sie, devil take him. Und der Händler fällt weg a Teuter. And the merchant died. He fell
over and died.
He fell over and died.
Now listen to the reason.
Die Chetzufa hat ihm gewiss vermutschet. The Chetzufa, this woman, had certainly bothered him. Der Roch nimmt sie.
I don't think she got him really tired, I think.
She wore him out.
Exhausted.
Wore him out, exactly.
She exhausted him.
It could be bother, it could be wear down. Okay, so she wore him down. Der Roch nimmt sie. Devil take him. Auf den zweiten Tag nach der Levaya, on the day right after the funeral, geht der Schneider heraus von dem Haus. The tailor went out of his house und trefft bei sein Tier, and he found at his door a schwarzen Caliph, a black dog. der Ruach nimmt sie, devil take him. Verspart schon gut die Tier. He closed the door solidly und treibt dem paskudniem Kelev weg. And he drove this ugly dog away. Paskudn is not quite ugly, it's disgusting.
Disgusting, yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Aber einmal, but once, in Eilenish, in his haste, hat vergessen zu versperren die Tier. He forgot to close the door solidly. Der Ruach nimmt sie. Devil take him. Is der schwarze Kelev rein in Zimmer? The black dog came into the room und hat zerbissen dem Schneider's Weibel dichtzufa, and he bit the tailor's wife, the Chetzufa.
Okay, Rafael, just a moment. I checked the English, the Hebrew English dictionary, and it says impudent.
Yeah, the impudent woman, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw debauched.
Yeah, that works too.
No, debauch is something else, no. Okay, another paragraph, please.
Der Schneider is gekommen von der Arbeit. The tailor came home from work, und der Zen, and he saw, was is geschehen, what had happened. Is gleich weg zum Poliziant. He immediately went off to the police. Der Ruach nimmt sie. Devil take him. Hat schon verstanden. Already he understood, as der schwarze Kelev is nicht kein posheter Hund, that this black dog is not just simply a dog. As nicht ist, hat sich gerissen in Stubereien. And it wasn't for nothing that it had it had forced itself into the room. Der Ruach nimmt sie. Devil take him. Der Poliziant hat dem Schneider ausgehört. The policeman listened to the tailor, drehend sich Avonze while twirling his mustache. Der Ruach nimmt sie, devil take him, und heißt ihm rufen sein zerbissene Frau. And the policeman asked him to call his bitten wife.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rafael. Barbara, can you go on?
Ja, wenn der Schneider's Weibel ist gekommen zum Polizei, so when the tailor's wife came out to the police, hat sie genäht zu erzählen, wie alt sie ist gewesen. And, you know, so the police implored her to explain everything that had occurred. Nicht mit schwarzen Kelev. So nicht mit schwarzen Kelev means not with the black dog?
Yeah, correct. Not what happened with the black dog.
Okay, not with, okay.
But what happened before.
Okay. Mit dem verstorbenen Händler, but with what occurred to the dead merchant. Der Ruach, I'm saying, the devil take him. Der noch hat reingerufen, dem Schneider, und hat ihm gesagt, also, and then, following that, he called out to the tailor and said to him in this way, in dem schwarzen Kelev is getake herein der Dibbick. So in the black dog, there is a Dibbick von dem Händler, von the merchant. Das ist a Fakt, really? Aber a Fakt ist euch, als dein Weibel sollst du halten auf a Kite wie a Zeug. and that's a fact. And it's also a fact that your wife, she should be kept on a leash like a female dog. So, got me to go on?
Yes, finish.
Auf dem Weg heim hat der Zadie gesucht, and as our way home, Zadie said, feet zu sich legen. Confidentially, does that mean confidentially or privately?
To himself.
No, like to himself, like he was talking to himself.
Like to himself, okay. Der Geller is taka a grober jong. you know, the blonde Jew really is a coarse fellow. Aber der Remes is, but the truth is, as mit dem besten Hund is nicht gut, kein Asochem zu haben. So you'll have to help me with this. But the truth is that even with the best dog, it's really not. It's not really. I'm saying I'm having problem. So what does that mean?
It's not good to make. It's not good to deal even with the best of dogs.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I blew the punchline.
Yeah. No. It's not good to deal even with the best of dogs. So what I like about this, you know, the stories that there is a moral at the end. There is always a punchline, always a moral that, you know, I told you the story, but you have to remember this. So any question about this story? Continue to the next one.
What is a tzoig?
A tzoig is like a bitch, a female dog.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's a tzoig.
Okay.
So did Boris Handler write these, or did he find them, or are they originals?
I found them. He's editing a Yiddish journal called the Branja. And in this Branja, he's writing all kinds of stories in Yiddish. So that's probably, you know, what his grandmother told him, and he wrote down.
Yeah, makes sense.
So are these separate stories?
Yes.
Or because it seems like early on he said something he heard in a bathhouse, and then it's almost like he's telling the story that he heard in the bathhouse.
Yeah.
So that's the story.
His grandfather heard it in the bathhouse.
Yeah, but that connects the first two stories.
No. Every story is by itself.
Okay.
Every story stands by itself. So no.
Okay.
Yeah. Stella?
What is a dibuk?
Oy.
Yeah, a dibuk.
Depends who you ask.
Yeah. How to say what is a dibuk?
A dibuk is a spirit.
An entity.
The spirit?
No. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead, Steve.
No, it's a spirit that enters a person. It's kind of a devilish spirit or a dark spirit that can go into somebody if they're not paying attention. Like, you know, at certain times, particularly like there was the adage is that if you know, you could get it in a cemetery.
It's the spirit of a dead person, though, who has not found rest.
Right.
Unhappy.
Yeah. Okay, so let's Bob and then Rochelle. Bob?
Yeah, many storytellers tell stories about stories within stories within stories, and they kind of, you know, fold and then unfold. And what's a little different about this is you have a story within a story within a story, but it ends. It doesn't go back to the bathhouse or to, you know, his or to the dog or the woman walking the dog and treating as a child. But often you would find it going all the way back there to close the loop.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. Good. Thank you, Bob. Rochelle?
A dibuk needs an exorcist. That's kind of the easiest way to think about it if you have no idea what a dibuk is.
Okay.
So it's not
Let's continue.
Within you. It's an exorcist.
Yeah, the exorcist is the one that gets rid of the dibuk.
Yeah, I said a dibuk needs an exorcist.
Oh, needs. Okay. Yeah.
That's what I said.
Okay, Rochelle, go
on. A Straf von Gott, a punishment from God. Alle Kinder haben Meure für a Doktor. All children are afraid of doctors. Ich bin kein Ausnahme, nicht gewesen, and I was not an exception to this. Der Sein unser Kinder doctor, as soon as I saw the pediatrician, Zoiblamen.
Seibelman, that's his name.
Oh,
Seibelman.
Zoibelman. Okay,
Good.
Zoibelman. Pfleg ich bald onheiben, suchen etwas a Vinkl zu antläufen. As soon as I saw Zoibelman, I looked for a corner in which to run away to or hide und sich verstehen dort.
Verteilen dort.
Parteien, hide?
Hide, yes.
I looked for a corner in which to hide. Via Mädel, like a little girl.
No, via Meisele.
Oh, via Meisel, I'm sorry. Like a little mouse was hut der schmeckt a Katz. Like a little mouse that smelled a cat.
Okay, let's go down. Okay, go on.
Mein Bobbe hat es avade gewusst. My grandmother must have known this or knew it. Und nicht einmal pflegt sie ausnitzen mein
Pachat.
Pachat? I don't know the word.
Fear.
Oh, Pachat fahren Doktor zu lieb ihre eigene Zielen. So my grandmother was aware of this and she used her, I'm not sure what.
She used my fear
for the doctor for her own ends.
Yes.
Lemoshel, ich will nicht gehen essen. For instance, I did not want to eat. Weil die Spiel is in Same brain. I don't understand summer brain because the playing was in
the middle. It's in the middle, and it's
because I was in the middle of playing. Okay, so I didn't want to go eat because I was in the middle of playing. Herr ich bald as gay ich rufen dem Doktor. So I hear her say, I'm going to call the doctor. Mehr hab ich nicht gedarft. I didn't need to hear anymore. Oder es ist schon Zeit, sich waschen und legen schlafen. It's already time to wash up and go to sleep. Und ich will nicht, and I don't want to. Herr ich wieder, so I hear again. As geh ich rufen dem Doktor. I'm going to call the doctor. It used to be I'm going to call your father, but mein Schreck vor dem Doktor is geworden so groß. My fear of the doctor became so big as hab ihm gekonnt vergleichen nur mit dem Malach Hamoves von jenem Meisele. Okay, so my fear of the doctor became so great that I was only able to compare him to the devil from the story was hab gehört von mein Baba, from the stories that I heard from my grandmother.
Okay, thank you, Rochelle. Thank you. Beverly, can you go on? Is a Zoe. Beverly? Okay.
She's here. She's muted.
No, I know, but it's so
I
hard.
think the Dybbuk got her.
It's so hard to get that little point. But wait a second. It's such a funny story because it's so true.
Okay, is a Zoe.
So it is. Der Malcha Mavis is a Mal gekommen von Rabbeinu Shalom mit der Taina. The angel of death once came from, how do you translate Rabbeinu Shalom?
To God. Came in front of God.
Oh, God? Okay.
God.
Oh, okay. With a question.
It's not a question.
A complaint.
A
complaint.
Oh, yeah, you're right. A complaint. As can shine mehr nit Hargenen Menschen, that he can't kill any more people. Genug, it's enough. Hat sich geweint. So he cried. Wenn du willst, no, wenn du willst,
Wollt's gewesen ein Mensch.
Wollt's gewesen ein Mensch, if you were a person, wolltst du euch gesündigt, you would also sin. Oh, he's saying if you're a person, you automatically sin. Der Hert azelche diborim. So, hearing such discussion, would you say?
Such
complaint?
No, not complaint. Such talk.
Oh, yeah, right. Hearing such talk, is der Eibishter geworden Malakas. So the God, the one above us, got very mad. Is that right?
Yes, angry. Yes,
angry. Yeah, Arab, get down. Levishke. Oh, how do you say Levishke?
Lemeshke. I found that it's a naive person.
Naive person. Okay.
Is there any? Do anyone know of another?
Well, Lemish, I thought was somebody that everything happened to him.
Lemel, yeah, like from the word lemel, a lemel.
Yeah, like a lemel, right? If der Zindiker Erd, get down from this sinned body, right?
Sinful
earth.
How do you translate Erd?
Earth.
Place.
So go down to the sinful earth.
Dort wirst du schön versuchen dem Tam von Rachmanis. There you will really taste the taste of pity, having pity. Hat men ihm herabgeworfen auf der Erd. So they threw him down from the place.
To
the place. Punkt in unser Stadt Bells. Perfectly in our city Bells. When is geworden a yeshiva bucher, and he became a student, a good student. Gelernt in a Beis HaMidras, he studied in a school. Gar in Giechen hat men ihm gerät a Shidach, und mit Mazel chasere gemacht. How would you say gar in Giechen? I guess only in goods?
No.
In time.
In good time.
Okay, in good time, they fixed him up with someone, and he got married. Hat ihm Gott geholfen mit der Weib Azure. Oh my God! So God with a wife a problem, Azure problem, a schlag. I don't know how you.
A pest, a nuisance.
That was a word always used in my house.
A schlag.
A schlag. They called everybody a schlag. A guzzle.
Zlidene.
Guzzledene
fleeg.
Oh my.
A slidene fleeg.
A fly, right?
An annoying fly.
An annoying fly. Was hat ihm kein Ruhe nicht gegeben. And it didn't give him any peace. Hat Nebuch. He had, sadly, kein Menuche nicht gehabt. He didn't have any good luck.
No, kein rest.
Oh, he didn't have any rest. Oh, he didn't have any rest. Nor gehört tight claws. He only heard complaints, I guess.
Curses.
No.
Curses. Curses.
Insults.
Oh, it's so funny. Bist zu krank zu gehen arbeiten? You too sick to go work? Wie andere Männer, like other men? Nor ständig sitzen und knellen? Nor always sit and what's knellen? Kneel?
Study, learn.
Study. Oh. Soll dir schein knell und klemmen das Herz. I mean, it's obvious. You should study with your heart or something. Something's happening.
No. Your heart should be Clement is to squeeze.
To squeeze like a heart attack. She's wishing
like
a heart attack on him.
Oh my. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Beverly.
Too funny, too funny.
Rafael, I wanted to ask you, Lemeshke, can it be from a lemale?
Yeah, that's what I would think.
Yeah?
Yeah, the origin is a lamb, and it comes to mean someone who is gullible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or so just a fool in general.
Okay, so it is, the origin is a lamb, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Karen, yes?
On the previous paragraph, the last line where it says Gor in Gichen, that means very quickly.
Very quickly. Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yeah, very quickly, soon enough. Yeah, good. Thank you. So where are we? Akitzer. Brenda, do you think you can read? Brenda, Opa, where did I go?
Well, you went too far.
Yeah, I know. Akitzer. Brenda, you're with us?
Yeah, who's here?
Yes. Can you try, Brenda? Akitzer. We cannot hear you.
She's not muted.
No.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, now we can hear you.
Took off my earphones.
We can
okay,
hear you.
I'll try. We'll see right here.
Okay. Akitzer.
Akitzer, als Gott will strafen, weist gut, wie man darf quetsch ton. Okay, so I don't know what Hakitza is.
In short.
Say again?
In short.
Oh, in short, as God wants to strike?
Punish.
To punish.
To
punish.
I'm sorry, I have to hear it louder.
Punish. If God wants to punish.
Punish. Okay. Weist good. He knows how to do it. Kvetchton. Kvetch is squeeze?
Yeah, he knows where to squeeze.
Okay. Nicht ein Jahr ist dem Malchamoves ausgekommen, auszuhören von sein Weib. So, not 1 year did the Malchamoves is the
devil.
Angel of death. Angel of death comes to hear from his wife. Und zumal afilu chapen a guten struf, okay. So, and a time?
And a time, sometimes.
Yeah, even catch a good, and what's that word? I don't know.
A jab.
Jab, okay. So es ist aber gekommen die Zeit, wenn sein Straf ist ausgegangen und man hat ihm gerufen, zurück zu vernehmen sein Stelle. Okay, where am I?
Es ist aber gekommen die Zeit.
Oh, so, but came a time when his punishment is came up.
It's done. Was
oh,
finished.
done. Ausgegangen is done. And he called back to take his was his Stella?
Position.
He was called.
He was called back to take his position. Thank you, Brenda.
Thank you.
Josefa?
Okay. Zu der Zeit. ist schon bei ihm geboren geworden, a son. So in time there was born to him a son. Und sich arauf zu heben in Himmel rein. And what?
And before.
Before.
Wait a minute. I don't get
before
started up before it started.
Before he went up to heaven.
Oh, okay. Before he went up to heaven. That's Hebrew. I don't know it. Oh no, it's Ruft called. Oh,
yes.
Okay. All right. Yes. Ruft der Malachamavis zu sein Sohn und sagt ihm. So the angel of death said to him, called to him and said,
Moishele.
Moishele. We have another Moishele.
Another Moishele. Moishele. For avec can Odess?
Odessa.
Oh, Odessa. The city, Odessa. All right. Before you go to Odessa.
No, go to Odessa. For avec. Go. Travel to
Odessa.
Odessa.
Go for okay, go for it. Travel forth to Odessa. Kadei far mention Zolas hasten in order to the people should call it, name it.
No.
What?
So it will be.
Known. It will be known to people.
Exactly.
Okay.
Good.
It'll be known to people. As du studierst auf Doctor, that you're studying to be a doctor.
Yes.
In Zeit Rom wirst du sich umkehren und heilen Kranke. That in time that you will
umkehren sich. You will come back.
Oh, you'll return and heal the sick.
Mm-hmm.
Fragt him der Sohn. Yeah, he asked of the son.
No, the son asks.
The son asked him.
Yeah, fragt him.
The son asked him. Okay. Wie soll je welch zij heilen of? So, how will I heal them? As ich ken a krank.
As ich ken a krank.
That's an idiom for not knowing anything.
Okay, so that's an idiom, and Rochelle said that I don't know anything, but it can also be otherwise, that he knows the sickness. But usually, why I'm saying it, if you remember Alvin, that used to be in our group, and he was a physician, and he always told the story that when he finished his studies, an uncle of him told him, yes, kennst du krank, which is, it goes both ways. You don't know anything, or you know, or you don't.
No, yeah, that's Yiddish.
So it goes both ways.
Okay, can you raise it up a little, please?
Yeah. Go on. Answered.
Okay. Enter der Malchamovas, the angel of death answered. As mevet dich rufen zu what's choile?
Choile, to a sick person.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cholim, yeah, sick people. Okay. That you would address a sick person?
No, but when you will be called to a sick person because people think that he's a doctor.
Oh, okay. Vestuzen, you'll see, as stay that it stands zu
koppens.
Zu koppens.
As ich stehe zu koppens. If I am standing at the head, at the head of the bed.
All right. If I'm standing at the head of the bed.
Yes.
Meint
Zukommen at the head. Meint es.
In other words, as der Mensch is verfallen, that the person, what?
Is kaputt. I don't know. It's kaputt.
Is mein Patient. He's my patient.
Yes.
Welch aber stehen zu Fusten. But if I stand at the foot of the bed,
yes,
give him a lefele Wasser, give him a little cup of water. Klumper.
As if, allegedly, as if.
Oh, wow. As if this is a refuah, it's as if it's a healing.
Mm-hmm.
When der choile, is that how we're saying it?
Yes, choile.
The sick person that mir, God willing, gesund werden, become well.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So he's giving him placebo. So
placebo.
So if who's standing at the head of the bed or the foot of the
Malach HaMoves.
Oh, so the son sees the Malach HaMoves when he comes to treat the patient.
Yes.
Okay.
So if
All
he's
right.
at the head, it means that he's going to die. If he's at the
foot, okay. I didn't get the picture. Now I have it.
Now you have the picture. Any more question about?
Yeah, Eric has his hand up.
Eric, yes. Eric?
You're muted.
No, you're okay.
We can't hear you, but you're not muted.
Excuse me, entschuldige me. There's a song, I can't remember who sings it, that Malach HaMoves, I've been too busy.
Oh, we listened to it. We did it. Yes. Eric, until you solve the problem, Morty.
Yeah, I just wanted to say.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
You can hear me? Okay.
Yes.
So I just wanted to go back to when he sends the son to Odessa.
Yes.
And the words "Kadei Farmention Zol es Hasten." Could it be? I think I came up with it that it should appear to people.
Yes.
As you studied. So he's going to send them there just to twiddle his thumbs and have a good time and come back and pretend he got a medical degree.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Murti.
No, just to mention that in the next to the last line, lefale is a little spoon, not a cup.
Yeah. Yes, a little spoon. Yes, that's right. Marie?
So this is so juicy. I really want to understand it. So he's saying, if I see the devil at the head of the bed, no point in doing anything. If he's sitting at the foot of the bed, I could just give him water. He'll get better, right?
He will get better. Exactly.
Wonderful.
Preordained.
But it's not the son that is saying. It's the father who is the angel of death.
Yeah.
Who is telling the son that's the way he has to know what the situation is.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, Marie.
Yeah. Very
okay. So Morty,
great little lines.
Morty, go on.
Und so ist es gewesen. And that's how it was. Since a hübsche Zeit, a long time went by, Moshe had geschämt in Belz. Moshe was well known in Belz, wie a größer doctor. Was known in the city of Belz as a very good doctor. Einmal hat sie getroffen. It once happened, als bei einer reichen Seuche ist krank geworden die Tochter. That at the home of a very rich merchant, his daughter got sick. Mod schon gebracht zu ihr Professoren von Odessa. They had already brought to her professors from Odessa, aber jeder hat etwas gesucht. But each one said something, bekommen sein Geld, received his payment und geätzet rufen another doctor and suggested that another doctor be called. In du der Herr der Seuche wegen Moishes Nissim. And then the rich merchant heard about the miracles from Moshe. Kommt allein zu ihm von auf a Britschke, he came himself to Moshe riding on a carriage in Zuktim and tells him, Hört mich heus, listen to me. Heuer gestechter professor, very important professor. Ob ihr raten wird mein Tochter, if you save my daughter, gebe ich euch weg mein ganz Vermögen. I will give you my whole fortune mit der Tochter in einem, including my daughter. Rief sich Moshe, Steitsch. So Moshe tells him, listen, wos darf min chappen so ich? Why do you need to run so fast? Lo mich koidem a kuktin ois der Kranke. Let me see the sick person first. They kommen zu uns im Seuche. They come to the merchant's house. Der Balebus führt ihm rein zu die kranke Tochter. The owner of the house, the merchant, takes him to the sick daughter in Zimmer rein, into her room, and sein Tate, der Malach HaMaves, his father, the angel of death, stayed showing by the Mädels zu Koppels, is standing already at the head of the bed of the daughter. I tracht Moshe. Oh boy, thinks Moshe. Oi schlecht. Oh boy, it's bad. In dus kranke Mädel and the sick daughter, a fellow auf dem teuten bed, even of almost dead on her bed, seht ois as a shane, looks so beautiful, wie die Levune, like the moon, was schluckt sich koim durch a Wolkendel that moves slowly through a
cloud.
Yeah, through a cloud. A Rege, a moment, in dus Wolkendel wird a schwarze Chmore. And that little cloud becomes a black wave und verstellt die Schein and blocks the brilliance. Hat sich gleich verliebt in ihr. He immediately fell in love in her. Was tut man? What do we do? Was für ein Eize soll sich geben? What kind of solution can he give for himself? Und dus fällt ihm ein Vortel. And all of a sudden he finds an idea. Geht a Schreiois. He screams, Tate, Father, od gehe ich rufen die Mama. I am going to call my mother.
Okay, just a moment. Sorry.
Okay. Wer hört es, he hears this, in der Malach HaMaves bald verschwunden geworden. As soon as he heard this, the angel of death disappeared. Und der emissary Kinderdoktor Seubelmann and the real pediatrician Seubelmann is gewesen befirisch a voiler Mensch, was really a good person. Ich hab kein Mal von ihm nicht gehört a hoich Wort. I never heard a loud word from him und hat kein Mal nicht geworfen auf mir kein weisen Blick. And he never looked at me in a bad way. A stiller, a quieter, idler Person, a warm person, mit zwei durchsichtige Augen, with two durchsichtige,
I think
through-looking eyes. Penetrating eyes, was man gekannt in sein sichtige Neshume, that you could see in it his warm soul.
Your warm soul. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, so we finished this.
Is that the end? Oh my.
That's the end of this story, but we have other stories,
Yeah.
Next time we will read the Zuna Schlank, so, we have other stories. So, but we finished the stories with the Malach HaMavet and the doctors and yeah. So, yeah. I find it delightful. I don't know about
it's quite delightful.
Lovely.
This is a Shane Baba Meinson.
A Shane Baba Meinson, exactly, Henrietta. A Shane Baba Meinson.
I have a funny story for you all. My husband went to do a house call many years ago, and he gets there, and the guy has garlic around his neck, a lot of pieces of garlic. So my husband says, "So what's the garlic for?" So the man says, "To keep the evil eye away." My husband says, "The only thing it's going to keep away is the doctor." So that's true. That was a true story. We laughed and laughed and laughed. Same thing, the Machamovas. I am.
Bob, I saw you raise the hand, Bob.
Yeah, I was going to say, so it starts off with the doctor being the fearful element, and it ends up here at the end being Mama. The shrew. No one's going to be able to deal with that.
Always Mama's fault.
Not even the Malach HaMavis.
Right, not even the angel of death.
Yeah. Good.
Any more questions?
I think Ron had a question. Ron Gates had a question.
Well, no, that was my comment too. Was that when they came in, they saw that the devil at the head of the patient, the girl, then that meant that she was going to die. And then he said, "Father, I better call Mother now." And Mother came in, and the devil disappeared because he didn't want to face the mother.
Exactly. Yeah.
And he only had a year with her.
Well, that was the other question I didn't quite understand how old the patient was. The girl was.
They didn't say.
A young girl.
They didn't say that she's a young girl, but they didn't say.
Because there was
probably
a pediatrician.
a pre-teenage girl.
There was a pediatrician.
Yeah, so it must have been primary school age or something.
No.
The son was looking was in love with her.
Yeah.
Yeah, a marriageable age.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
So
she was a marriageable age, yeah. But anyway. Yeah. Barbara, please.
I just want to make a comment. I had to laugh when so the people who were called in, the professors, the academicians were called in, and they received their money, and then they called a specialist. I think, so what's new? What's different today?
It's totally today.
Go to another doctor. Yeah.
It's totally today. I called the doctor, ENT, and I had something, and the woman says, "No, he doesn't do that type of ENT." Can you imagine?
Yeah.
I said, "Oh," so he sent me to another doctor, and now she checked me out, and now I have to go to a higher up professor.
Yeah.
It's a crapshoot.
No, it's very calculated. It's very calculated.
I think it's how do you call it? A pyramid scheme? Pyramid scheme.
There was a couple of vocabulary words I recognized from my childhood. The schlock, when we read about the schlock, it reminded me of a schluch. My mother used to always refer to me as a schluch because I was untidy.
Not the
I was
same.
a mess.
It's not the same. Not the same.
It's not the same.
It's not the same. No.
A
schloch is a mess.
Dirty,
Yeah.
messy.
It's not.
Okay.
And what does the other one mean?
Messy. A schlock is something else. It's a curse.
Yeah,
it's
weak.
Oh, a schlock is someone who doesn't do what they're supposed to do.
It's a pest. A schlock is a pest.
Yeah, and isn't there a song, a schlock of? Oh yeah. I forgot the song there's a song with that word. I'll think of it for next week.
Maybe you can ask Maurice. Morty?
Yes, I remember when I was little and I did something that my grandmother didn't like. She used to say to me, "A schlag soll der treffen."
Yeah.
No, please translate. A schlag.
Okay,
translate.
translate it.
Sorry, I know it's hard.
No. It's may you meet a bad situation or something like that.
Oh, okay, thank you.
That word is in the song Machatenis de Meine. Schlock is in that song.
Yeah, schlock. Yeah.
I told you. Yeah. A schlock of. Oh, I can't really remember. Maybe we can sing that song sometime.
Does anybody remember hearing
Maurice.
about a Schlachhaus? A Schlachhaus? No. Okay, a place where they sold junk.
No.
Yeah.
So maybe more like the devil. May you find the devil, or the devil take you, or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
No, schlag was always used for junk. You know, a bunch of schlag was.
Yeah, but
I've
I
always
think that's
used it.
schlock with a
This is
K
schlag
at the end.
with a K.
Yeah.
Ah.
The other word I recognized was a kvetch.
We kvetch all the time. We kvetch.
Complain all the time.
Yeah, we kvetch all the time. Anyway, so we will continue to read the stories. There is just one more. So I will send you something else in addition to this. So because we will probably finish it next time. So sei mir alle gesehen. Wird sich sehen noch eine Woche.
Noch eine Woche.
Gute Woche.
Schönen Dank.
Bye.
Gute Woche. Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye, alle.